Akua donko wu achi ne nsem bebre na na epiepia megidi se abusua ewo se wutibie se obeka ya enche na ye maame Akua donko GFP Ghana Freedom Party ono na ne di animu Frank Atufo a ba ma owu obo patabiribiri ebefa no ekoye nchinyiwahye hwan na ebedi party nanim anase omo pull out from the election ampa afeni enhu hwede ehu ya ne se eye ne running mate Roman father a fellow presenter our tesemi oye adwuma o DLFM ono anso na eda de lumba ne manager party ni ni se ono emum na emra emedi party no anim na abusuan nsem bia ye tetetete no e kire se sa Abraham no ka sei amanfo peso wo fa akire na wo ma eye Akua donko party no chese wo pull out from the election because on say your sympathy vote ewo ho obi kura beka so Akua donko awudi a ene ma memfa eho eyi na memfa ntoma ne running mate no enu nti enkofo bi dwen se ebe affect omo ama sabre ni omo ye ne se omo pese omo bribe your friend is saying GFP party no na obu yi omo ho edi free election no said ye be ya o chena bi obu nkonya aba no omo ntwe omo vote no na nipa odi animu a o yes a Captain Smart abonidin Kofi Akpalu ede na ekoso enya ntie se 20,000 Ghana cedis bi kura piem a ekosi Kofi Akpalu nsam a abusua ne nsa enkae okoto so omo didie sika wo de hyehyehye omo nsam a sika na nkasa woso ode ma omo na die ebusa ne se GFP omo betwe omo ho anaso omo ntwe omo ho eno ne nsam a sabri mede eba besomo eno nti wa ekrado a bomoden ne tie ensam a Captain Smart eka edefa Akua donko wuo no ene running mate sabri wa behye na namu ene Kofi Akpalu ene afei chief of staff yentie ensam a Captain Smart eka
Opening Kofi Akpalu LPG Somiha na Somiha ono ne abranti a na one odike eko ne party ho won na won ne eye Akua donko party for no kasa se emom fa candidate bia nominate obi anko isi no mbedi omanim first one omenya $500,000 de toso biom eno echi no omno mbefa flight akwa Ashanti region akoshia chema wuntumi ehono no flat rate 300,000 Ghana cedis eti kwasia de ya etwa mu na nanka omode womo eko akwaje sa asika no won na omo ye middleman wo ye den na Kofi Akpalu na be kire se ma party ne emfa candidate bi anko no ntimi lobby ne ma Akua donko state barrier. Who the hell is this guy? Fast forward, chief of staff Mami Frema Opare tina mabodin na SSS officially no okobo president amane yes ye Mami Akua donko wa free enti ebusuafo no kokohia chief of staff SSS ye koyi president asutire wo kokoduru ye ebusuafo akobo amane Kofi Akpalu so wo hobi enti wo wie ye no na chief of staff say oh sabe ye ebi before ye wo ya bane said ye yade enti se mawie de a Kofi Akpalu wu nya busuani Akua donko Freedom Party so Kofi Akpalu nka ho asam na meka ne tie ne ye ese ye ma busuafo no yakọ hyentiade ye da chief of staff sabe eburu sabe nya ado oya santini enti yakọ hyentiade ewo ba bia and chief of staff ma busuafo no 20,000 Ghana cedis say ebusuafo no mfa ka enko na o mbete wonka ana Kofi Akpalu ji sika de share ne botom Kofi Akpalu afei ebusuafo ni omo ina awie na o matetima ne 20,000 o he say Kofi Akpalu Kofi wa he Kofi adwane ana ebusuafo ne ba ko say hey Kofi babone where are you ye 20,000 o say o mi refisa me de be mamo ana Kofi Akpalu dimirika ebe hye ebusuafo no wo Afrikiko oba na omu didi no tu omaduane ka obi a chief of staff edi sika ma won wonya busuani unka Akua donko party ho wa ba yi wo 20,000 Ghana cedis mo wan kwa mefa so mbeche nde se nya wasem Kofi ba ya wasem aduane na mudi ye na ye se ne wetu aduane ka ye 20 no wa he osem ba afei oba omo sika no de bi ahye wo nsem ono na eche omo a na Kofi Akpalu de ahye wo nsem Omo na ebusuafo no ba ko say kewo 20,000 the chief of staff say yen na yedea. Eti wo Kofi Apalu sabia igbeni usimu asante say. Wo Jessica no de kwan. Wo nya busuani. Party this won't count. In any case, we invited Kofi Apalu to chief of staff's place. About a Donkors party. Ebusuafo baba no ade say the botoma na wa Jessica no ama wo. Osisika nasa. Okay. Eti enra about 10:21. And me am fa me phone na me send Kofi Apalu WhatsApp say me information say ebusuafo no sika wo. Eti ebusuafo say from 20,000 Ghana cedis ma wo. Now Kofi Apalu aba responded. Abaji to say ani 20,000 here de ma wo. Afeti ne response. On trauma me o. Eti tiye. I will suggest you speak to their family lawyer. Head of the family, plus 2 other ladies that I have their contact. Kofi, Edipano, what's more than 30? Why do you want me to speak to only 3? And other lawyer, Justice Obeying, number sending me, any. And Ode Openi Bernard Akwesi Boateng, so number sending me. And Ode Esther Sewa Brakatu, was so number can. Or sending no money, no, I feel be confirm it, say 20,000, no one. T. The next response. They were 12 in number, and the 20,000 Ghana cedis wasn't enough for them. So I confirm it. So I quickly organized additional 20,000 to make it 40,000 and share to them. May kind be where Kofi Apalu? Akwa we be president edi okrumha. Would you be an busu any 20,000 dudwane na wasan ko organize 20 asan so de abeye. On one message, we nyame trauma no opa on delete. They were 12 in number, and the 20,000 Ghana cedis wasn't enough for them. So I quickly organized additional 20,000 to make it 40,000 and share to them. In any case, are you the chief of staff? Chief of staff gave the family 20,000. So who mandated you to organize another 20,000 cedis for them? Did the chief of staff pay another 20,000 Ghana cedis for just lorry fare? Who the chief of staff for Tuasemu? But Femo Apare was who diabu. The Busuapani was there. The family members were there. You gave the money to Kofi Apalu. I Benny in a Asante funeral for what? Why did you give him the money? Is he the one organizing the Donkors funeral? Was he the chairman at the gathering? Yeah, time 20,000. Now Kofi Apalu discarded Johnny. But I mean, Femo Apare, I've told you before and I'll tell you again. I've told you before and I'll tell you today too. Let's see. Why you're careful, you go down in history as the worst chief of staff. Let me read his last statement. Trauma me. None of them received anything less than 3,000 Ghana cedis. Watch this. None of them received anything less than 3,000 Ghana cedis. Into Obian Fan calculator. Now, Kofi say, I quickly organized additional 20,000 cedis and shared to them. So, Enipa 12 and Ekwache 40,000. Anamwa. All right. It's 40,000. 1, 2, 3 divided by 12. Kofi, for our calculator, remain in no way. Why no middleman? No, no, Jubilee House. You think we don't know? Assembly Akua who are Kofi Apalu. How Jubilee House? And then Kofa presidential ambition. Say a trades conference. Una be there ni muna what the one Ekwa chama won to be ho. Huh? What the one Ekwa chama won to be ho. So onye dey. Say chama won to be mo musika. Mom, easy. On to be pio bi amfiase enkosoro. And on to be pio bi amfisoro so mafom. At worst case scenario, you be reballoting. Who na beche nipa yen fa Ghana for your tax. Now Kofi Apalu ojije nkofo sika susu okuma say wo di dan e wetu awie. Wo maka to say don't bring yourself. Wo launch your campaign. Ewo Prep Assembly Hall. Wo adu on fi voter region. Wo ukrom ba e. Me na metu am lord fed be sin na wuntu am sika mame. You haven't paid me. I was so ashamed of myself that day of Prep Assembly Hall when these beautiful, wonderful Ewe people were stranded driver and so on for Monko because you haven't paid the driver. You ran away. I have to go and look for money and pay that driver to take the people from Kumasi to Volta region. You promised you're going to pay me the money. Have you paid? Opa, calculation to so from 2008. Many calculation to so from 2008. If you can pay, the kind of question Ghana for Obi officer Obi ta Obi, huh? Chief of Staff in Tinebusian for the Niho. Why Kofi Palu taking their 20,000 Ghana cedis?
Oyiwa abusia ensam no ene da ho no sabre die na che se eniema aye Djka. But man so be subscribe to channel no press notification button for more uploads. Afa you pay money transfer ebia na wo Canada US. Na say wo send this card aba. Make sure say obe download the application at your phone so. Na afa mi promo code no wabomode no use Djka. Use we abenye ska kwade account sika de wo send dia brand Ghana so no. Ye ntene kapre. You pay mansan boafo. Meda say J bre now share me my crowd. Bye bye.